It's absolutely delicious. Smoky, balanced. I'm a happy man. Hey, Big Papa here. Let's have some fun. What I'm cooking isn't a Texas brisket. It's not a competition brisket. It's kind of a hybrid. It's kind of a mashup between the foil bow with the fat side up and some of the techniques I use in competition like injection and the seasoning. So I'm going to show you how to cook my hybrid brisket on the Old Hickory. Not just any brisket, Chairman's Reserve. But let's start by trimming her up. It's an F-dick and it's just perfect for brisket. Now for a home brisket cook, I really prefer the foil boat method. Just get rid of some of this stuff here. Just want to get some of this off. I try to do it as smoothly as possible. So it's really a minimal trim. Now I like to save some pieces like this because I can prop it up when I get in the smoker and make it so the smoke goes over it evenly. Always cut away from you. Okay, now point side, flat side. This really actually has pretty nice fat here. We're going to expose the point, not the flat. Now see what it is. I want it pretty uniform. I'm just going to come down here with the grain. And this is my final cut. Time to inject. This is using Big Papa's cattle prod. Now, injection's such a funny thing. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put it in at an angle and I'm going to press lightly and pull it out. And I want to feel it with this hand. I want to feel the kind of coverage I'm getting with the grain. I'm going to probably put about 8 or 9 ounces in this. This is what I want to do. I want to inject it to get the tenderness. Paper towels are your friend here. Now, we're going to pat this down and then we're going to season it up with Big Papa's competition steak and brisket. I'm seasoning the bottom first. I'm going to flip it over and make sure I get a really good coat on that fat. Couple things with seasoning. Want to get close, you can get it. Want a more even spread, get just a little bit farther out. Let's flip it over. Let me pat it dry. Now we're going to give it a big coat. The edges with the overspray. Okay, we're going to get this on here and we're going to let it sweat. Sweat is when the salt interacts with the meat juices and causes a nice shine, glaze, or sweat. We're going to put this on the Old Hickory at 250. We're going to smoke it for about 5 hours until we get to be around 260. And then we're going to put it in the foil boat. So I'll see you in just a little bit. We're about ready to put it on. It's looking great. We'll see you out at the cooker. Now, we're going to check. We've got a water pan in here. We're going to check. We may not spritz all cook. Spritzing is really good. It keeps it, helps it build a bark. So we want some moisture on it. If it dries out too much, we'll come in and spritz it. But hopefully I can do this without too much spritzing. We'll spritz it with just a little apple juice or some water. See you in a few hours. Trusty Old Hickory. I think we've won 40 contests on an Old Hickory. Maybe about 30 something. Look at this beauty. Okay, we're gonna go put it in the foil boat. We're on 165. We'll be back in just a second. Into the secret power lab. Okie dokie. Thing is looking beautiful. Okay, back on the Old Hickory for probably about 3 or 4 hours, then a 2-hour rest. Pretty excited about it. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I think she's done. I don't really care what the temperature says because I'm going by feel. 202, 202. A little tight there, but I think it might rest up. Yeah, I think it's a rest and it's a done. I think I'm going to pull it out. Okay. Beautiful bark. Nice jiggle. Okay, we're going to put a little foil over this. Then we're going to put one of my wife's nice beach towels on it. I'll try and avoid trouble. I'm going to rest it for 2 hours in the Cambro. Then I'm going to slice it up, see how it is. Okie dokie. It's been a long day. It's a little brisket, about 13 hours. Pull this towel off, the foil. Let's see, got a nice bark, got a nice jiggle. Don't worry, I'm not going to squeeze her. Oh, it looks beautiful. You know what? It's absolutely delicious. Really delicious. Smoky, balanced. I'm a happy man. All right, I'm going to slice it up and serve it. Adios from Brisket Land.